Found a Klarna discount voucher and not sure where to enter it? In this video, I'll show you the exact spot to apply your code for instant savings. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Applying a voucher is a simple process, but you have to do it at the right stage of checkout to make it count. When you're checking out with Klarna, you'll proceed to the final review page before you confirm your purchase. This is where you'll see a summary of your order. Look for a link or text that says, add a promo code, got a discount code, or redeem a voucher. It's usually near the order total. Tap on it, enter your unique code, and apply it. The page will refresh, and you should see the discount reflected in your new, lower total. A crucial pro tip: some vouchers are for specific retailers or products. If your code isn't working, double-check the terms and conditions to ensure your card qualifies. Also, you usually can't combine multiple promo codes on a single order. And just like that, you've just saved money with a few simple taps. Applying a Klarna discount voucher makes your deal even sweeter. Have you ever had a promo code not work? What did you do? Tell us about it. For recurring savings, watch our next video on how to use Klarna for subscribe and save. Thanks for watching.